Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff, and welcome to the third and final episode in the 5,000 subscriber giveaway series. I'm just here today to announce all of the prizes that are going into the prize package, thank the sponsors of said prize package, and give you the final opportunity to get into this draw. So let's just get right into it, and we'll start talking about the prizes, and we'll get around to the question you got to answer closer to the end. So in no particular order, we are going to start with my friends at Starbond Glue, who have generously donated a prize box of glue to this contest. I'm just going to read it off to make sure that I get it right. They are contributing a bottle of the thin, the medium, the black medium, which is one of my favorites, the brown medium, and a jar of accelerator. So the winner will have to give me their mailing address, obviously, and I will give it to my friends at Starbond, and they'll ship out that box of glue to them. Thank you very much, Starbond, for helping me out with this. And if you don't know, I do have an affiliate code, or affiliate link, and a code. You can see their whole lineup down at the link below. And if you buy something using that link, you can use my discount code. You get a discount. It financially helps out with the channel. And yeah, go check them out. They are now my exclusive CA glue in my shop. Thanks so much, Starbond. Let's move on to the next batch of prizes. You're over here now. Okay, so my friend Eric Whitsel at Country Road Workshop makes these tumblers. And they are awesome, and he makes them custom with your choice of colors. It's an epoxy coated, either the big tumbler that comes with a straw, and they're click closed tumblers. You got your choice of either a big one with the straw or the little guy that doesn't have the click top thing. With Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff logo, you'll be contacting him if you win to pick either the big one or the small one and what colors you want him to use on them. Thank you very much, Eric, for those wonderful... These ones are mine. I'm keeping these ones. You can't have these ones. But he'll make one for you in whatever colors you would like yours made out of. Thanks a lot, Eric. That's a fantastic contribution to the prize package. What's next? So next up in the draw is Mr. Paul Waldrop and his beautiful, wonderful, mysterious pen blanks. He's been sending me pen blanks for a while now, 6 months or more. Every once in a while a box just shows up and it's like Christmas. He stabilizes various chunks of burl and interesting woods and stuff. He also just has a bunch of cool woods laying around his shop that he chops up into pen blanks when there's nothing else he can do with them. So he has decided to donate a box of mystery pen blanks to the winner. Hopefully the winner of the draw is a pen turner or has interest in becoming a pen turner. If not, they can just let me know and I'll just draw a second winner for the pen blanks. I'd hate for them to go to waste and go to somebody who isn't going to make use of them. So that's, what is that, number 4? Starbond, Tumblers, Paul. It's number 3. Moving on. It's already a fantastic prize package, and we're only at number 3 of 6 contributors. What's next? Next is a $50 Australian credit in the Kustom Creations shop. My boy Scott Grant, creator of my favorite finishing products in the world, Custom Grit and custom waxes and custom high-speed polishes and things, is donating $50 Australian in his shop at customcreations.com.au. I'll leave a link to his shop down in the description as well. The winner of this contest is going to get $50 right off the top of whatever they order there, whether it's the custom grit finishing system or the high-speed polishes, or just a really nice couple of scented candles. He makes scented candles too. So thanks very much, Scott, for pitching in on the contest. Again, I will send the address of the winner. No, I won't. You'll just go to the shop directly and you'll probably get a discount code. I'm not sure how that's going to work, but we'll get it figured out. $50 at customcreations.com.au. Number 4 in the prize package. What's next? Next is the mallet that we made in episode 1 of the 5,000 subscriber giveaway down at Tyler Peterson's shop. This is cherry, maple, and sapele that were offcuts from my segmented bowl that I made at the end of last year. That I went down to Tyler's shop and we made this wonderful mallet. Tyler runs TP Guitars and he's gotten into mallet making. So I took some scraps down and we made this. And that is going into the draw as well. That's episode number 1. I'll leave a link for that up in one of the corners because you're going to need to have watched that and commented on it in order to get into the draw. And last but not least I hope not least, because it's my stuff, I am contributing this sapele, maple, and Nara charcuterie board that I made in the last video of the series, episode 2 of the giveaway. This bottle stopper that I made in that series as well, along with a pen that the winner is going to get to pick between the various kinds of pen blanks that I prepped in that video. So you'll get a slimline pen of your choice, cherry, walnut, Paduke, Purple Heart, or I'm not sure. You have to go watch that show too, so you'll find out. I'll leave a link to that up there too. That'll be the second place you're going to need to go besides this video in order to get into this contest. Unless you have already gotten into the contest over at Patreon. Well, you could do both. That's the cool thing, is all my patrons at patreon.com/woodenthings and stuff got a free bonus entry over there. And some people that tuned into my Monday live shows got free bonus entries as well. But other than those opportunities, you have to comment down below on this video, what are you most looking forward to? If you win, what are you most excited about winning out of the prize package? That's all. Just let me know. Thank the sponsors and let me know what you're most excited about the possibility of winning. Then go watch episode 1 and 2. Answer the question I ask in those videos. Everybody that answers the question in all 3 videos gets entered into the draw. I am drawing this winner on my Monday night live show, August 22nd, 5:30 p.m. Pacific time on the west coast of North America. 5:30 on Monday, August 22nd. We're going to draw it live on the show. So best of luck to everybody. Thank you so much to all the sponsors. Starbond, Eric at Country Road Workshop, Scott at Kustom Creations, Paul at Waldrop Guitars, Tyler at TP Guitars, and me. Thank you, me, for chipping in on the prize package. That's it for this one. Again, thank you all for coming on this wacky journey that I'm on out here in the shop. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. We'll see you next time. And best of luck to you. Bye for now.